So you not buy me KFC?
Hold on, they may have something to deal with.
So when you buy Siri?
No man, Alexa that.
Alexa, what name sir? And I put something this.
No, Amazon.
Gonna buy something more expensive. Man cheapy. That's why I say him can't buy me a KFC. He couldn't even buy Siri, I have to buy bootleg Siri.
Sorry, I didn't hear that.
Alexa, you're cheap like your owner. Me not give him no front tonight.
Is that the scent of fish?
What you say?
Would you please close your legs? I can barely breathe.
What your blood clot just say?
My girl, what about a nice for?
Look here, sir. May I beg you to turn off the scenting day, you know?
Yo, just relax yourself no man. We soon will leave. Alright, may I make you listen to local music. Alexa, play No Underwear by Dexter Dap.
Playing No Underwear by Dexter Damps. She should put on underwear, because her poom poom stink.
Not a rotted. Calvin! Calvin!
My girl, what you love make up nice for? I want to you.
Lock it off, you know. Just lock off that little dirty something there, you know.
So what you going so for? I thought you like Dexter Daps.
Yes, he said I seen that style me up. I want to you. Lock it off.
What do you mean to style you? What it say?
You no matter what it say, just lock it off, alright?
Look, we soon leave, okay? Alexa, stop. See, no more music. You happy now?
Can't, but I don't know why my takes so long. Him and him Dutty Alexa.
The only thing dirty here is that sperm bank you call your mouth.
Alexa go suck your mother.
So here you go. Tanisha, I so badly you want KFC?